English to Pashto short sentences. I am no less than anyone. زه د چا نه کم نه یم. I am no less than anyone. I broke your heart. ما ستا زړه مات کو. I broke your heart. Please forgive me. ما معاف کا. Please forgive me. You did not do anything wrong. تاسو غلط ندی کړی. You did not do anything wrong. There is nothing wrong in it. په دې کې څه غلط نشتا. There is nothing wrong in it. I promised to stand by. ما د سات ورکولو لوز کړی. I promised to stand by. These are girly shoes. دا جینکو والا پیزار دی. These are girly shoes. These are girly clothes. دا جینکو والا کپڑی دی. These are girly clothes. He sells girly clothes. هغه جینکو والا کپڑی خرڅوي. He sells girly clothes. Pink is a girly color. گلابی جینکو والا رنگ دی. Pink is a girly color. I don't want a favor. زما ملاتړ نه دی پکار. I don't want a favor. Just do your work. بس خپل کار کوا. Just do your work. Don't hesitate to call. په کال کولو کې په یو دوه کې اټاله کېږه ما. Don't hesitate to call. یا په کال کولو کې زړه نازړه کېږه ما. Don't hesitate to ask. په تپوس کولو کې اټاله کېږه ما. Don't hesitate to ask. یا په تپوس کولو کې زړه نازړه کېږه ما. Don't give up. خار ممنا. Don't give up. No matter what happens. چې څه هم کیږي. No matter what happens. Listen to me first. وړاندې زما خبره واوره. Listen to me first. Well, look up. ها بره وګوره. Well, look up. He is true to his words. هغه په خپله خبره پوخ دی. He is true to his words. I was true to my words. زه په خپله خبره پوخ وم. I was true to my words. I did not even sleep. زه اوده قدرې نشوم. I did not even sleep. I did not even sit. زه قدرې کې نه ناستم. I did not even sit. I did not even cry. ما قدرې ونه جړل. I did not even cry. I did not even smile. ما قدرې ونه خندل. I did not even smile. Why don't you come? ته ولې نه راځې؟ Why don't you come? Why don't you go? ته ولې نه ځې؟ Why don't you go? Why don't you meet? ته ولې نه میلاویږي؟ Why don't you meet? Why don't you eat? ته خورې ولې نه؟ Why don't you eat? Do ever listen. چرته خو واوره. Do ever listen. Do ever talk to me. چرته خو را سره خبرې کوه. Do ever talk to me. I can do this today. زه نن دا کولی شم. I can do this today. Consider it done. شوی وګڼه. Consider it done. I'm with you. زه ستا سره یم. I'm with you. Don't be afraid. یریږه مه. Don't be afraid. One after another. د یو نه پس بل. One after another. The fridge is not making ice. فریج واوره نه جوړي. The fridge is not making ice. Remove the spider web. د جولا جالی لرې کا. Remove the spider web. I'm older than her. زه د هغې نه لوی یم. I'm older than her. I ask only one thing. زه صرف یو شیز غواړم. I ask only one thing. In return. په بدله کې. In return. You do yours. تخپل کوا. You do yours. I will do mine. زه بخپل کوم. I will do mine. That's why I came. زکه زه راغلم. That's why I came. I'm glad you came. زه خوشحاله یم چې ته راغلی. I'm glad you came. You will not be able to do this. ته به دا ونه کړی شي. You will not be able to do this. Without my help. زما د مدد نه بغیر. Without my help. Hang on a second. یو سیکنډ صبر. He seems to be brave. هغه زړور ښکاري. He seems to be brave. Who are you to tell me? ته ماته ویلو والا څوک یې؟ Who are you to tell me? That's what I thought. دغه ما سوچ وکو. That's what I thought. Don't tell a lie. دروغ مه وایه. Don't you dare lie to me. د دروغ ویلو جرأت مه کوه. Don't you dare lie to me. Let me go. ما پریږده. This time. دا ځل. This time. I'm getting another call. ما ته بل کال راځي. I'm getting another call. Call you later. رستو به درته کال وکم. Call you later. Tell me the truth. رښتیا راته ووایه. Tell me the truth. I will help. زه به مدد وکم. I will help. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.